Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is Sadia Naseem, your SSC teacher from Behriya Foundation College, Nashero Road. Students, we were discussing about the landforms of Pakistan. In my previous lectures, I have told you about many landforms like forest, desert, mountains, water bodies like rivers, hills. We have also discussed plains, plateaus, and valleys. Today is my last lecture regarding to this topic. In this lecture, we will discuss the grassland and polar regions. So let's start from grassland. Grassland. What is a grassland? Grassland is an inland biome with the vast grass field on it. Temperate zone grassland of Eurasia means Europe, and Asia are known as steppes. Steppes are without trees. ग्रासलैंड क्या होते हैं? वो एरिया जहाँ पर हर्ब्स और शर्ब्स बहुत ज़्यादा होती हैं. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ ग्रासलैंड. वो एरिया जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा हर्ब और शर्ब्स पाई जाती हैं और ट्रीज बहुत कम होते हैं. दे आर नोन एज द ग्रासलैंड. ग्रासलैंड इज प्रेजेंट ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड इन ऑल कंट्रीज. प्लांट्स विच ग्रो देयर आर दो दे आर शॉर्ट हर्ब्स एंड शर्ब्स. The grassland blooms in the summer with the wild flowers. समर में क्या होता है? ग्रासलैंड में बहुत सारे वाइल्ड फ्लावर्स भी नज़र आते हैं. They may be present in the all countries of the world, like in United States. Grassland are known as prairies. And cereal crops grow. Cattle graze in prairies with little animal life. The South American grassland is known as pampas. While the hot tropical grassland of Africa and South America are known as savanna. So, the most common animals of different grasslands are the dogs, mule, deer, and there may be giraffe, zebra found in Africa, and lion found in both Africa and Asia. So, you understand the grassland, the area with the very little vegetation is known as the grassland. This is another picture of grassland. The area with very little trees and large amount of herbs and shrubs are known as the grassland. This is another picture of the grassland. So, now is the tropical grassland. The tropical grassland are also known as savanna. These grasslands are found in hot and humid tropical areas. कहाँ पर होते हैं ट्रॉपिकल ग्रासलैंड? जहाँ पर एरियाज हॉट हो और रेनफॉल ज़्यादा होती हो. हॉट एंड ह्यूमन, जहाँ पे टेम्परेचर हाई हो, एरिया हॉट हो लेकिन वहाँ बारिश ज़्यादा होता हो. Savanna has rainy season sometimes followed by the dry spell. Dry grass grows among the scattered growth of the trees. These are known as grassland vegetation, which looks almost park-like in tropical summer. Wild animals like giraffe, rhinoceros, elephant, zebra, deer, ostrich and lions, they are found in the tropical grassland. Look at this picture. Here is a picture of the animals which may be found in the savanna. Can you see here zebra, elephant, ostrich, lion and cheetah. These are the common animals found in the tropical grassland or savanna. Okay. Now is the polar region. What comes in your mind when you read the word polar region? Certainly ice comes in our mind. The area where temperature is very cold, windy and icy all year round. They are known as polar region. Some animals such as polar bear, penguin, seal survive in this extreme condition. This is the picture of a polar region. So, the animals which may be found in the polar region, they may be polar bear, penguin and some other animals like the seals. Look at the picture. Can you see the polar animals in this picture? These are the animals of the polar region. Now is the tundra. What is the tundra? Tundra is the vast treeless plains of Arctic region are called the tundra. There is little vegetation of mosses, lichens and flower herbs during the summer. क्या होता है टंड्रा में? बहुत कम प्लांट, बहुत कम एनिमल्स होते हैं। विंटर में मोस्टली यहाँ पे क्या होता है? आइसी वेदर होता है। People who live in these areas are known as Eskimos. Look at the picture. These are the Eskimos. People who live in the tundra are known as Eskimo. Their lifestyle of these people are totally different from the lifestyle of us because of their environmental condition. अपने एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशन की वजह से इन लोगों का लाइफस्टाइल बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होता है। ये लोग क्या खाते हैं? मोस्टली ये लोग, क्योंकि इनके एरियाज में ज़्यादा वेजिटेशन नहीं होती है, तो ज़्यादातर ये फिशिंग पर डिपेंड करते हैं। फिश खाते हैं, फिशिंग पे डिपेंड करते हैं। इनका लाइफस्टाइल थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है, बहुत हार्श कंडीशंस को इन्हें बर्दाश्त करना पड़ता है। ये लोग रहते कहाँ हैं? वेयर द एस्किमोज लिव? एस्किमोज लिव in a houses made with blocks of ice known as igloo. Look at this picture. This is a house of Eskimos, igloo. Okay, this was our lecture today. Now what's your homework? You have to solve the exercise given on your book page number 10. Exercise number 2, true or false. You will read the sentences and you will identify either the sentences are true or false. Okay, do your homework and send me in my WhatsApp group. I'm waiting for your homework. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.